Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video I'm going to show you what the answer is to one day that you're filming, you're out on the set filming, and your camera works with no problem. 5 minutes later you go to shoot again, or another day, or so, and suddenly your camera will not work at all. Generally, it's a simple problem, and the answer is this little knob here, this little selector. So what you do is this. When it's in the down mode, like so, this is for filming. And if you listen close, you can hear it film. When I press the shutter. Now, if I take and move it to the center position, just like so, this is for animation. If you listen closely, I'll press the shutter, it'll click. There you are, one frame at a time. Next, if I take the selector and I move it all the way to the top, just like this, this locks the camera. So if I press the shutter, nothing happens. This is a common dilemma and easily fixed. All you have to do is, of course, slide it back down. We should all be so fortunate all the time. So now, as you can hear, I can film again. What happens is this is a safety mode, so when you pack the camera away, you still have film inside of it. Other equipment doesn't hit the trigger button and waste your film by filming it inside. So when you pack it away, you can slide it up top, just like this, and your film won't get wasted inside the camera by another piece of equipment. Pressing the film button here again and filming. Alright? This is the common dilemma here again. Just slide it down to the bottom just like that. Hope this helps you beginner filmmakers. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter buy and sell group. Put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. And join Avant Garde Films Philippines. Thanks a lot and bye-bye.